Welcome everybody, welcome back to my channel here on MDC Vids. So basically I recorded this at 4 o'clock in the morning some other time, but the intro footage got deleted, so I'm gonna try to re-record it now. So basically in this video I'm gonna show you my beard care routine, when me do for care my beard. You may have time obviously, I know when you have rush sometime you have to just kind of skip certain things. Yeah, and two-in-one opportunity because you get one little mini story time here and there. So just watch the video. My past self, I'll go in and show now. I showed everything and then everything I go through as normal. So go on watch. Before you move off though, don't forget to subscribe. That's how we grow a community here, and it motivates me to make more videos. So just subscribe and like the video and share it too. Alright, go on now. Alright, well, on everybody, it's me, past Mishka. Well, that is past Mishka. This is future, present Mishka, but past on. Anyway, yeah, so I show me I get everything wet, hair wet, beard wet, everything, face shampoo it. So the shampoo me I use is by Tresemme. Smile tell me I feel straight hair people, but I have one big dirty buckle, so I go have to use it, so that means. So just get a nice lather going on. I try to really focus on my skin, so like I'm trying to focus on the skin underneath because I don't really need the cleanness. Then we just basically wash it out. See me, I know again we'll go in with some conditioner. So again, use Tresemme conditioner. Yes, straight hair people, shampoo, but it's cheap. There's a big dirty buckle, so I may have a use. So I'm gonna use too much because the beard are not much here, but for this one I'm gonna try focus more on the actual hair strands rather than the skin underneath, because when you use conditioner, focus on the hair strand, but when you use shampoo, focus on the skin/scalp. Get it out in there, get it out in there. And then just wash it out when you're done beard. Alright, so fresh out of the shower, moisturize my hair, put on my clothes, and everything there. I'm just gonna show you the beard routine when you do really quickly. So basically what I'm gonna do is similar to what I'm gonna do for my hair. So I'm gonna just put on a little moisturizer, then I'm gonna put on a coat of oil to seal it. And also I have this little ointment, something antidandruff, because sometimes inside of the beard can get flaky. So we use this first and then we go over it with the moisturizer or the conditioner and then use like a beard oil. So yeah, why am I do this? This is a beard care video. Just like a talk to about one little story time. Remembering that Sunday's Valentine's Day is Friday right now. Sunday's Valentine's Day. I just remember about this time. Really quick story time, mini TTI. Where I remember back in about 6th form, when Facebook did hot. 6th form? I think Facebook did hot around that time. Whatever. Facebook did hot. So I met this girl, nice girl, pretty girl. We did that talk, we talked for almost about 2 weeks or so. I talked for 2 weeks. And now your boy is turning out the charm. Your boy is like, yo, which school you go? Go Green Mirror and think where you go. So it was happening. So now I'm finally like, I have someone to save up. So I'm like, yo, B, you want to go Domino's? You want to go Domino's, my man? I'm gonna get you that medium pizza with any topping you want. And to myself, I'm just like, I can get you pizza, I can get you a drink. You want a side? Can't afford that. We can get the pizza though. Alright, so I finished with the ointment, going in with the leave-in conditioner. So I know what day was it? It was a Saturday. I made the date for Saturday. No, my girl is gushing. My girl is like, oh yeah, well, you know, I'm finally see you and this and that. I'm like, yeah. So I think it rubs hands. Yeah. So I got ready with the finest clothes, the finest jewels, everything. I was lit. 10 out of 10. Your boy was ready. So I went to the Domino's and I'm sitting there and I'm waiting on this girl. I'm texting her. I think she was texting initially. She was responding initially. She was all like, oh, I'm getting ready, this and that, whatever. So I'm like, all right, cool. You know, like tell me when you almost here.
Child.
So yeah, I'm in there waiting on this girl to come. And no, the staff just them see me and they're like, yo, can I help you? Yeah, alright. You've been here for like a little while now. Just sit down there and look. I'm like, no man, I'm help somebody. Don't worry about me. You know, and it kind of start look away. So now I'm go in with my beard oil that I got from Flourish owned by my boy Jason Brown. I'm gonna go check it out. I'm going to try to link the Instagram page in my bio or put it in a graphic somewhere here. But the thing with beard oil is though, no matter which beard oil it was, I was never really one of those people to be like, oh, it's gonna make my beard softer, it's gonna make my beard, you know, more manageable or whatever. Is that oil? It's not going to change the texture that much. What really is gonna happen is it's just gonna act like an oil. So what I was excited about for this was the smell, the aroma, because he has baby powder and spearmint. This is the spearmint. I never really want to smell like baby powder. Too tough. So I got the spearmint, and what I did with the beard oil though is I didn't want it to just smell like spearmint. So I added a couple drops of, let me do that slowly. Lemongrass oil. I don't know if I can read it right back with but lemongrass oil, fever grass oil. I love how fever grass smells, so I just dropped 2 drops of fever grass oil in the oil. I know it smells like mint, lemongrass. Thing is awesome, thing is lit. So yeah, when it comes to beard oil, don't really look for it to be like changing your texture or making your beard like softer. That's what the conditioner would do. All it's going to be sealing any moisture, and for this one give you a scent, because the thing is when I would do my beard a lot of the times it will have like this weird wet beard smell, not stick, don't bite yourself, but it will have a little wet beard smell. So it's just nice to have this oil to use, because under my mask just smell like some minty forest of lemongrass, and it's nice. Also, one thing I realized about it was a thinner oil, and for my beard, my beard is a very coarse, rough beard. So I added a couple drops of my Jamaican black castor oil. So that was another thing why I'm glad I got this too, so I could save this, because I would always just use this and it's expensive. So yeah, I use this to save on that. I add some of this to make it a little bit thicker, for my beard. And that's why I'm not really looking for the oil face, soft texture or anything, because I know my texture, beard, rough and so on. So no little oil. So yeah, back to my girl now. So I'm sitting there in the people them Domino's. For like 2 hours now, literally 2 hours. At this point, I'm just like, all I help them I clear off table. I see people are walking, I'm like, how many people in the party? Table for 2? Okay, alright, come this way.
Your order, face ass.
And now, now, the workers now, them kind of be like, with a person at the pan. You can't see them on like a look, like, person, you forgot the yard, you're not, I don't know, you forgot yard. But that's the thing. So eventually, I ordered a drink when I came to the realization that I'm getting stood up. So, when I realized I got stood up, and left the people in place. Then now later on that evening, she was like, "Oh my God, babe, I couldn't get to come today." I didn't even read the rest of the message. I was just no. So because like I don't know how you jump from I'm getting ready, I'm almost there to not saying nothing and then popping up back in at the night. It's a little embarrassing, I must say.
This is really embarrassing.
I think that's the end of the story time, but yeah. So yeah, I just kind of distribute the beard oil, make sure the skin underneath I get the oil. It's another good thing about the beard oil. It helps just keep the skin underneath moisturized to help prevent that flaking I talk about earlier. And the good thing about Jason oil is it's jojoba oil. So jojoba oil, it's similar. I think it's the closest oil to your natural oil that your skin produces. So it's very good for your skin. Then I try to go through it with a fine tooth comb. Now, sometimes it's not to work out. I'm just skip it and brush it. But like, since I do the whole 9 yards for this video, I'm just like, I just want to show you everything from it. Remember when we telling about my texture? This is struggles. So for y'all dudes out there who don't have beard, no worry about it now. Because this is the struggle. Why is your face hurting when you're combing it? Why are you combing your face? Listen, it's just a bag of struggles, and the only reason why we hype it up so much is because mom make up for the struggles, so don't worry. And yeah, I think I'm coming to the realization that the combing not working, not work. You know what, let me try a bigger. Not sure if this will do nothing, but let me try. Alright, let's look at this. So, alright, yeah. Oh god, my wicked. It just needs a wider tooth comb. Oh dear. Alright, yeah. So just comb through a little bit. Help everything kind of more uniformed. Then we use this brush. It's a very hard bristle. So, oh my god. Wee. So it kind of technically combs in its own right because them bristles are tough. So I think that's it. That's it for beard care, bro. Look at the beard. Let me see if you can catch the sheen. I don't know if you can see it, but it's the skin look really. Anyway, yeah, that's it for the beard care video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to cut my boys Jason's beard oil. It's lit, smell good, have your beard smell good. That'll make it look nice and shiny. And it'll give you some amount of slip so you can comb through it better than mine. And if your texture is looser and less coarse than mine, then the comb will slip right through. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Basically, this was just the routine I do on like a wash day or like a day when I have time. Cause normally if me rush through, I kind of skip a couple steps. So I might not put in a conditioner. I might just use whatever I wash my face with. Just I might. If I skip conditioner in the shower, I'll usually leave conditioner out there. If I use the conditioner in the shower, I'm gonna skip leaving, It depends. Whenever I rush, but I definitely go in with my beard oil and my likkle ointment there. Just to make sure the skin underneath is lit. So yeah, if you enjoyed the video, just give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and share it around to your bearded folk colleagues. If you know you have a brethren with a beard, my beard struggles, just send this to him. Can probably help out a life. But yeah, thank you for coming to this video and come back next week for a brand new video on MDC Vids. Later.